Fix voice isolation not working on your iPhone. Re-enable voice isolation during a call. When on a call, swipe down from the top right corner to access Control Center. Tap on the mic mode option. Select Standard or Wide Spectrum. Go back to your call and wait for a few seconds. Then, go back to mic mode and select Voice Isolation. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Force restart the iPhone. Press and release the volume up button on your iPhone's left side. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. Press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release the side button and wait for the iPhone to load. Reopen the app. Swipe up from the middle bottom until you access the app switcher. Locate the app you're trying to use voice isolation in and swipe up on it to close. Wait for a few seconds and reopen the app again. Clean the ambient sensor. The ambient sensor is responsible for detecting and adjusting to the surrounding environment. If it's obstructed or dirty, it can affect the performance of features such as voice isolation. Cleaning the sensor with a soft, dry cloth is recommended to ensure it's free from debris or smudges. Turn off the low power mode. In your iPhone settings, go to Battery. Make sure to turn off the low power mode feature. Remove the case and screen protector. Sometimes, the case or screen protector may block the microphones or interfere with the sound waves, causing issues with voice isolation. Removing them may help to improve the audio quality and make it easier for others to hear you during a call. Update your iPhone. Open Settings and go to General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now. Reset iPhone to factory settings. Resetting your phone to factory settings will erase all your data, so be sure to back up your important files and information beforehand. Open the Settings app and go to General. Scroll to the end and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue. Follow the instructions on the screen to erase your device and set it up again. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.